The Isuzu Traga is a small cab-over pickup truck manufactured by Isuzu since 2018. It is developed to compete with the Mitsubishi 300 in the Indonesian medium pickup truck market. It replaces the 300-based Bison and Panther pickup in the market. The Traga is powered by a direct-injected low-pressure turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-L inline 4 diesel engine taken from the Panther. The Traga's uses a Euro 4 compliant common rail direct-injected version of the 4-L engine. It produces 77 horsepower, 78 PS at 3,900 RPM.